Good day, everyone. I reveal myself, Chief Sunday Adeyemo, aka Igboho. First of all, my sincere appreciation goes to God Almighty, the Master of the universe, for making this day. I want to say a big thank you to all Yoruba sons and daughters all over the world for the love and support before and after the loss of my dear mother. Though she still kept at the morgue, waiting for me to come and give her the befitting burial that she deserves. I give special thanks to President Talon of Benin Republic and to all members of his cabinet. My gratitude goes to my hero father, Professor Banji Akintoye, and Professor Wole Soyinka for the support in the course of the struggle. My God reward you, Baba, for your standing courageously for Yoruba Nation and for me. You promised to stand by me through my ordeal in Benin Republic, and you have fulfilled your promise. I will not forget to appreciate former President Olusegun Obasanjo, Baba Adeyemo, for their roles. Even though only God gives freedom, let me use this opportunity to say thank you to all religion leaders, pastor, alpha, and the traditional worshipper for the prayer day and night. Our royal fathers, Oba and Chief in Yoruba land, your love and support is so appreciated. But we need more of your support to deliver our land from the slavery of the Fulani, because Yoruba land is ours. Although I have many Obas on my list, but Oba Francis Olusola Alao, His Majesty, the Olusegun of Orile, Deputy Chairman of your State, Council of Obas and the Chief, Kábíyèsí Ọba Topsin, Oníbàrígà of Bariga, Kábíyèsí Ọba Tejoso, Oníkenta of Orile Kenta, Kábíyèsí Olúgbò Ọba EFO, CON Frederick Akintoye, Ọba Teru Olúgbò of Igbo Kingdom. Your love and support is well appreciated. I also thank Mrs. Modupeola Oloyeko, Princess A. Awoniyi, Aliaja Abike Akinpelu, Mr. Kayode Emola, Mrs. Ojo USA, Aliaja Niniola, Mr. Malomo, and the others. Thanks for your support and God bless you. My brother Sunday AK Sami Japan, I thank you specially. I must not forget to appreciate the Mega Rally USA and the Prophet under Prophet Olusegun and the Directorate under the leadership of Barrister Ogedengbe. Special thanks to Ilana Omodua, Canada, and the Ibega Omodua, USA and Canada. Shivdele Momodu, I really appreciate you, sir. Thank you so much. I also my sincere appreciation to Mr. and Mrs. Ayola Adenike Oladokun, USA, Mrs. Janet Fasaki, USA, and also one of my brother and wife from their immense support, though they don't want their name mentioned. Special thanks to all media outlets, internet, printing, and broadcast. Honestly, I have a long list of people to be appreciated, but I will have to pause here and then come back later. To all our political class and the others in Yoruba land, let's join our hand to make Yoruba great. All my brothers from East, I appreciate your support. Thanks and God bless you.